Welcome to Quantum Computing Explained. Classical computers, like the ones we use every day, process and store information using bits, which can only be in one state at a time, either a 0 or a 1, limiting them to sequential binary operations. But imagine a revolutionary world where computing breaks free from these constraints, harnessing the principles of quantum mechanics to handle multiple states simultaneously through qubits. Quantum computers introduce qubits, which exploit the extraordinary phenomenon of superposition, allowing a single qubit to exist in multiple states at once, both 0 and 1 simultaneously, unlike classical bits. This is much like a spinning coin that blurs into both heads and tails until observed, and it's vividly represented by the Bloch sphere, where a qubit state vector traces probabilities across its surface, enabling the exploration of vast computational possibilities in parallel. Another profoundly intriguing concept is entanglement. When two or more qubits become entangled, their quantum states are inextricably linked, so that measuring one instantly determines the state of the other, no matter the distance between them. This spooky action at a distance, as Albert Einstein famously called it, defies classical physics and enables quantum computers to perform correlated computations across multiple qubits efficiently. Quantum gates form the essential building blocks of quantum circuits, manipulating qubits through the principle of interference to amplify correct solution probabilities. Operations like the Hadamard gate create superposition, and the Sinoti gate facilitates entanglement, allowing these circuits to solve intricate problems much more efficiently than classical machines by constructively boosting desired outcomes. These quantum properties enable powerful algorithms such as Shor's, developed by Peter Shor in 1994, which factors large numbers exponentially faster than classical methods, directly threatening encryption like RSA that depends on factorization difficulty. Grover's algorithm, created by Law of Grover in 1996, delivers a quadratic speedup for searching unsorted databases, proving invaluable for optimization, artificial intelligence, and vast data searches. Quantum computing's applications are vast and transformative. It revolutionizes drug discovery by simulating molecular interactions and protein folding with pinpoint accuracy, speeding up treatments for diseases like Alzheimer's and cancer while enabling personalized medicine. It also optimizes complex logistics networks and advances cryptography through secure quantum key distribution using single photons to detect eavesdroppers, ultimately reshaping industries from healthcare to finance. Yet significant challenges persist. Qubits are highly fragile, prone to decoherence where environmental noise erases their quantum states, necessitating advanced error correction that encodes one logical qubit across dozens or hundreds of physical ones. Additionally, achieving scalability requires ultra-precise hardware and extreme cooling to near absolute zero in dilution refrigerators to preserve coherence. Despite these obstacles, quantum computing advances rapidly with huge investments from governments, companies, and labs worldwide, poised to solve intractable problems and generate immense economic value. It will transform how we tackle challenges in science and technology. Stay tuned as this quantum revolution unfolds before our eyes.